Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the sweet and decadent world of baking with our best ever caramel cake recipe. If you're a caramel lover or simply looking for the ultimate dessert to impress your family and friends, you're in the right place. Join us as we guide you step by step through this mouth-watering caramel cake recipe that is sure to become a family favorite. With its rich caramel flavor, fluffy texture, and gorgeous presentation, this cake is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, celebration, or just a special treat for yourself. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to create the perfect caramel cake from scratch. We'll start with a detailed overview of the ingredients needed, including tips on selecting the best quality items for a richer flavor. From all-purpose flour to unsalted butter, we've got you covered. Watch as we take you through each step, from mixing the batter to baking the cake to perfection. We'll share insider tips on how to achieve the perfect caramel sauce that can be drizzled on top or layered between the cake layers. Learn creative decoration ideas that will elevate your caramel cake to a show-stopping dessert. We'll demonstrate how to create a stunning caramel drip effect and suggest toppings that add texture and flavor. Explore different ways to serve your cake, from pairing it with ice cream to serving it with fresh fruit for a delightful contrast. Discover how the balance of sweetness and buttery notes makes this cake irresistible. Learn how to adapt the recipe to suit your dietary needs or preferences, such as gluten-free or vegan alternatives. Find out the best ways to store your caramel cake to keep it fresh and delicious for longer. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge and skills necessary to bake your own caramel cake that not only tastes amazing but also looks stunning. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more delectable recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.